There are two ways you can create a listing in your dashboard. You can go here, click new listing, or you can go to your profile and you can click add new listing over here. So we are going to create a new listing. You do have to add an image. Test listing. You get to choose which category it belongs to. This is a test for the Barter Black platform. What you will get. Here you will list what you will get. 60-minute call, ad, debrief, recording. And you can put whatever goes along with your listing is what you put here. I'm going to make that a little bigger. So we are going to put a value proposition. Learn what you need to hire the people you need to hire to grow and scale. Here you can either choose to include a consultation link or not. If you have free consultations, I would definitely encourage you to enable that. How many days is it going to take you to complete this listing? What I want you to consider is that someone purchases the listing. It may take them, if you have a form or something that they need to fill out, a questionnaire, it may take them a few days to fill that out. Then if they have to schedule with you, that may take a few days because you may not have the time on your calendar for when they want to schedule. And then once you meet, how long is it going to take you to actually finish that product, send that product, or complete that service? So you want to give as much time as possible here when you are selecting the delivery time. I would rather you select more time than less time, and then the system is telling you that you need to complete this order. Is address needed? This is mostly for products. If you're selling a product on the platform and you need to ship something, you would click that. How much does it cost? So if you charge $500 off the Barter Black platform for this service that you're listing, you are going to charge 500 Barter Bucks. Additional product fees. This is again for products. If you are sending a product, if you charge tax, you want to give what that tax rate is and whatever the shipping rate is. You want to make sure that you include that so you are able to charge them. Let me fix that. Charge them after they complete the purchase with you. So requirements or prerequisites. We want to make sure that if something in particular is required for them to actually book this session, maybe this is a second session and they needed to book the first session first. So things like that, if it comes. Frequently asked questions, if you have that, definitely include that. If you know that there's a question that may be asked, you want to include that there. And then we also have terms and conditions. So we are going to say you need to book call within 3 days of purchasing. We don't want people to purchase and just sit. So we want to create those terms and conditions, and those terms and conditions can be whatever your terms and conditions are off this platform. And then we're going to hit publish listing, and that is how you list on the Barter Black platform.